Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the LED light duration on your Casio G Shock. Now I will show you how to change the light duration on your watch. Click the mode button few times until you are in the timekeeping mode, that is, you see the day of the week on the top screen. Press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds until your city code starts blinking on the top. Press the mode button few times until you see LT1 or LT3 on the top screen. LT1 is 1.5 seconds and LT3 is 3 seconds. Press the forward button to choose either LT1 or LT3 and the adjust button one time to exit the setting. Here is light duration for LT3 and now for LT1 and now both together. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.